Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to clone in Krita. So for example, I have here this one wallet and I would like to remove this part of wallet. So if you would like to do it, you need to go to brush tool, you need to click on it, and then we need to click on this one icon. It will allow you to choose brush preset. Now we need to change this list from my favorites to all, and on search field we need to type clone. Now I select this one clone tool, I click on it, and then we will see here to ellipse. So now I press and hold Ctrl and I click on the area that I want to clone. And now I draw on element to remove it. So it will look something like that. How you see it looks really great. Now I press and hold Ctrl again and I click somewhere here. And again I repeat the process. It looks great, yeah, so it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. I encourage you to support me from link in description.